Hey, I'm Sneakz. I'm a software engineer working with ChainSafe, and I'm one of the core developers on the SDK. So today I'll be running you through the ERC-1155 Prefabs and how they work. So once you've installed the package, come down to web3.unity, ERC-1155, and you'll see our prefabs here. These prefabs basically reference these scripts. We have balance of, which returns the balance of an account by token ID, 1155 URI, which returns the URI of a token if there's one attached, and the all ERC-1155 fix. So starting off, we'll go to balance of, we'll drop that in, we'll press play, and that will log a balance of 2. Now this is from this contract here, from this account here, from this token ID. So you can use that and display that in game however you'd like. Moving on, we have the URI example. We'll drop that in here, press play, go to our console, and that will return a URI. You can use this to display images if the token has a URI attached to it. Which again, this comes from a contract, the token ID. Alright, lastly we have our all ERC-1155 fix. This basically cycles through, gets the balance and the token URI based by contract. Just to show you how that would function, you just come in here, put your token ID hex in, drop your contract in here, press play. Alright, if you have any questions, please drop into our Discord and give us a yell. Thank you.